Welcome to my first course on this channel. In this course, I will guide you through the basics of Shopify dropshipping with AliExpress. Let's dive in. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is when a store sells products without holding any inventory. Is dropshipping legal? Yes, it is completely legal. Is dropshipping profitable? It can be profitable, but success on Shopify requires more than just listing products. To drive sales, you will need to promote your products and on various advertising platforms. Do I need a lot of money to start dropshipping? No. Dropshipping has low startup costs since you don't need to buy any inventory upfront. However, you might need some funds for promoting your products on Shopify. Is dropshipping easy? It's not easy. You will need to invest your time and effort to build a profitable business. What about shipping times? Shipping times vary depending on your supplier. Do I need a company or business documents to start? You can start as an individual without needing a formal company setup. Which countries should you target? I'll recommend you should start with USA and Canada. That's it for the introduction to dropshipping. In the next video, I'll show you the steps to create your own online store.